Hey guys, Sterling here with H&S Motorsports. Today we're talking about our upper fuel filter relocation kit for the 2011 to current 6.7 Ford. So along with our upper conversion kit, we also just came out with our upper fuel filter relocation kit. This is going to relocate the fuel filter completely out of the engine bay down to the frame rail. Zane, what are some of the benefits of the relocation kit?
Well, same thing again, we build off of ease of installation, all plug and play up here. Once again, we made a fitting that's got a filter built into it, so your factory fuel injector return filter is still filtered, the fuel's still filtered. We basically just bypass the filter, mounts down on the side of the transmission now to its true spin-on style filter. So you don't have to deal with these clips anymore if you don't want to under the hood. I still see some of these guys breaking these clips and kind of having a tough time with them, and maybe splitting an O-ring inside the fitting, at which point in time you've got to replace the whole fuel line because you can't just replace the O-ring. So, good idea just to put a spin-on style filter down under the truck while you're changing your lower. You can change your upper too. You don't have to mess with the factory clips anymore.
Oh wow, okay.
Which is key for a lot of guys, that
Absolutely.
are trying to do their own maintenance. We're just making this easy on them.
And there are a lot of guys out there that don't want the fuel filter underneath the hood at all. They've seen
Right.
horror stories of fuel leaks and fires and stuff like that. They don't want anything fuel filter related under the hood at all.
Exactly.
And this does that for them.
We're just bypassing that filter under the hood with an easy plug and play block.
Makes sense. You can find these at your favorite diesel parts retailer or online at hs-motorsports.com.